My beautiful and amazing people, hey, who thought say Two-Face Oja Idibia don move on? Hey, make e come hear the story, the matter wey sup between Two-Face and Annie Macaulay on the end of the year party wey sup for the place wey dey do meeting and contribution over time. My people, make una draw una chair come closer o, make una come hear matter wey dey ground. Omo, see as Two-Face take dey beg like small pikin. Even when Annie told him that she has got no grudges against him, Two-Face say lie lie. Annie has not forgive him, and that is why all the things wey dey happen no stop to dey happen. My people, make una come. Before I go enter into the main cocoa of the cocoa lane, I greet una according to the time wey una dey take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. I heart una so very plenty for always supporting this brand. May God in his infinite mercy continue to dey bless una, replenish una pocket, guide and protect una for all you do. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist. Na me dey bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use God take beg una make una help us subscribe. Hit on notification bell so they go notify you anytime we drop latest ogbonge tori like this. My beautiful and amazing people, no be small drama o. Before Annie and Two-Face separated, una know say na early this year, na this whole drama happen, year 2025. Around March, abi na February, abi na when sef, make una drop am for the comment section. When this whole drama, when rehabilitation matter, when Two-Face came out to say, na him yarn wetin yarn, nobody hack him account, where they say they carry Annie go keep for rehab, where Two-Face do this, Two-Face do that, in family too, come yarn wetin they yarn, Annie is rude, Annie is this, it happened early of this year, very early, the beginning of this year. Now, before it happened, there is a meeting where Two-Face and Annie they do together as husband and wife. Now, like Idoma meeting, job like Idoma meeting. I no just know how the meeting take be, but na meeting wey be say they contribute money. Then they will do end of the year party. Then at the end of the day, they go now share the money. Maybe say they don't contribute and all. They will come do party, come chop food, come share food, join them. Like and so the party look like. And so the gathering look like. Gathering of celebrities. So at the end of the day now, they consider they do end of the year party as usual. Annie came there. Two-Face also was there. Funny enough, thank God, Natasha no follow Two-Face this time around. But she sent na her guards, her policemen there, na then go drop Two-Face for this party. When Two-Face got there, he even came before Annie. Annie came late. Now, when he came, they were there, they were having fun, everybody shout, they do Two-Face, legend, this one, that one. Immediately Annie came, as usual, she go respect herself, go sit down peacefully. She no want drama, she no want dragging, she no want talk. She did not come for Two-Face. She came so that they go know how they go do with the money, take share the money. You understand that kind of thing. Now, they say as they do their party finish, the party throughout the day. Annie just sit down for where she did, they press her phone. She and Swanky come dey online. They do their WhatsApp call, she dey call her children, and then they dey on conference call. So they where then those ones they party, they dance, you know, now that kind of thing, end of the year party and all. Then they say Two-Face come provocate, come meet Annie. He say, Annie, you've been here. You are just busy making calls, talking to that guy. The guy that I was the one that introduced him to you. Well, was I not the one that introduced him to you? When I heard that the guy is a good celebrity tailor, he knows how to do his work and all. You now said, even you, I remember that time you were like, no, we don't need him. He's kind of celebrity outfit he does is not the same type of clothes where they always wear. Your own clothes are mostly fitted and all. But I was the one that introduced him to you. Now you went behind my back because we have issues. You went back and was now dating him, this one, that one. You're just flaunting around him on the internet. Even after I told you this, that. He talked plenty. Now Annie come reply and say, come, you know you've been doing all these things. This guy has been telling me how you've been calling him and telling him things. I just don't want to talk. I don't want to talk. I am avoiding you like no man business. I am avoiding you so seriously. But please don't push me. Don't allow us to wash our dirty linen outside. Don't allow me to come talk so that they will not come and say, internet will not come and carry it and say, Annie is jealous, Annie is this, Annie is that. I wouldn't want that. So please, I will advise you respect yourself, respect your old age, because at this point I can see that you are just there. You don't even care if there is any scandal or anything called name calling outside. You no longer care. You are no longer seeing it as any big deal, because these days now you and online 5 and 6. If they drag you today, tomorrow you can't defend yourself. If they drag you tomorrow, you go come debunk. So me, I don't have that strength to come and be debunking things up and down. Please and please, I wouldn't want that. Avoid me. Na Two-Face say, I will not avoid you. And so he start dey shout for phone. The children come dey ask the mother, say, Mommy, what is going on? Who is that? Say, is your daddy o. We came to the end of the year party together. This, that, 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 that. And so the children come dey shout, Daddy, leave our mommy alone. Oh, please, oh, leave her alone. Swanky was just there because na conference call. Swanky was just there. You did not say anything. Pem say this one, that one. The Swanky is a betrayer. He betrayed them. I beg my people, make una come talk this one. I beg na betrayer be this one. Say you left, another person take over. I beg na betrayer be that one. As he go away, Natasha take over. Why Annie no talk say na betrayer? Now he say, Swanky is a betrayer, even after knowing fully well that this woman is a married woman, and that they just went for separation, not that they are legally divorced. He went ahead to go and start dating her. This one, that one. Swanky pen, he no talk. He talk to himself. They don't turn Two-Face. Our legend, they don't turn am to talkative. They don't turn Two-Face to on a normal day talk. And Annie say she no know Two-Face to be a talk like this. She no know am say na drama king him be. Na person wey be say e dey reserved. If you dey even dey talk, e go dey look you. Now Two-Face don come become Odiego. If you talk one, e go talk 100. Na that one now, na Natasha don put am inside. You know say e get as e go be. If you dey with somebody, they say if you cannot beat them, you join them. As you don dey with somebody wey be say na everyday nagging, every now and then drag me, I drag you. The same thing wey happen for Daddy Freeze life, wey she start dey drag am. Two-Face, innocent, continue dey talk until the thing escalate onto another thing entirely. Na the same thing na dey happen. Na Annie say she no just wan talk, na so she excuse herself comot for where Two-Face dey. Now they come carry money, they give them, say they go share. Na Annie tell them for there, say, you guys know that me and this man, we are no longer together. So what will happen is that money, please divide it. Give me my own portion. Everybody maybe they have record of how much so person paid, how much before. They only take record of who pay and who no pay. They join am all together, they give them, and the money they long well. So now, when the thing don't get as it be like this, make them divide and make them check the list. Who this how much will this one pay, how much this one pay, make them send out for them. Then the food too, make them share and give her own, make him too carry his own. If possible, as Two-Face don dey wow, so make they even pack all the food give am, make him carry dey go, make they share the money, give her her own share. Now say na Annie come dey matured now pass Two-Face. You know say when you don outgrow some certain things, you come become big girl, big woman for in the middle of the story. Na the same thing na dey happen now. Annie don turn to like Two-Face don push Annie to the limit where she no longer send. She no dey send anybody papa. She no dey send anybody. Anyhow wey you take want am now, Annie is ready. She is ready. Say if Two-Face even wan give headache, make dem pack the food give am, make e carry dey go, make him go chop, make him fat. Say no be that one be her problem. Make dem just share the money, make everybody. Say she just came here because let it not look like it's a yearly something and she's not ready to fulfill the meeting. But next year now, if they won't do na individually, because she like the meeting, they deliver, they give loan, they are always there. If you want to do party, even if you don't get anybody as friends to invite, if you invite them, they will come. So she like the meeting, she like their delivery, she like everything about them. So she's not ready to fulfill them and send them away at this point. So she will not want marriage or Two-Face to come between them. So make them share everything they want share, make everybody go. If you go bring problem, if not the money no fit bring problem because everybody get a record, make dem share and give everybody own. Then for the food, if you go become problem because you know say the food now based on our family something, if it be maybe 3 bags of rice, they go know how they go share the one and half, one and half. So, but if Two-Face won't complain, he can pack all and go. Say she no want stress, she no want talk. Now that one where they say Annie talk, now that one pay Two-Face. Say meaning he don't become poor man. The same Two-Face we go on TikTok, go they ask for support. You can't see person wait or say no one problem. If you want support, if you want food, make you pack they go. You can't say, are you not a poor man? Why would Annie say that if it is the food that is his problem, make them give am food? This one, that one. So Two-Face start dey lament, dey lament, dey lament. At the end of the day, na so Annie come say she go call the people wey dey in charge of the this thing so that she go fit collect her money for the food. Oh, no one wey Annie carry comot for there. Because if at the end of the day they start dey drag me, I drag you now, media space go carry am. That time you go know say for that their meeting, e get person wey get social media wey go come expose the matter. And when e escalate now, they no go talk say na Two-Face na im never move on. They go say na Annie na im never move on. And Annie, at this stage of her life now, she no wan drag me and draw you. She dey respect herself, staying on her lane, focusing on her children, enjoying her life and everything wey she ever own and everything wey she ever hold dearly. Na im she dey respect now. But Two-Face, lie. E just be like say e come there for purpose of Annie. Imagine coming to tell Annie say, that guy betrayed. Even when Annie, e dey remind her of the past. Whereas you, now you be the real betrayer. Now you go behind Annie. Una never divorce, una just separate. You don't go tears. They give you her bride price. You carry and go marry her. She pay your own groom price. Una marry each other. Una come stay. So meaning Annie now no get right to fall in love, abi? She no get right to love again because of say na you be alpha, na you be omega. It is say Annie go change or something. You never know. Say gone are the days where women cry after men. No be now again. My people, na the matter be this. So who una think say he really get fault? And if you say Annie too overreacted by telling him that if it is the food that is the problem, because Two-Face was not happy at all. He was so mad at Annie for telling her that. And as for Two-Face, do you think it's the right thing for him to do to have told Swanky that Swanky is a betrayer? Who really betrayed who in this very relationship matter? Now, make una come, make we interact. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share, like for more like minds and more recommendations. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.